Hey, let me show you the best features of the Oppo Enco Air2 earbuds. So, first of all, I want to show you that in these earbuds you can actually turn on the HD audio, and this is actually the AAC audio codec. You can turn it on by going into the build settings when you are connected with these earbuds. The next function that will be definitely useful, it's the sound equalizer, and you can actually get the free presets, the bass boost, clear vocals, and the original sound. Right here we can also find the game mode. So the game mode actually allows us to get some kind of the latency when we are playing games or, for example, watching the videos. We can also find here all of these controls. So for example, we can control the volume level, we can turn next or the previous sound, we can wake the voice assistant. We've got also option to play and pause media, and on the single tap it's the same, and it works for the left and the right earbud. We can also update firmware, so if you have any issue, like for example in this update, it actually fixed some known issues, so we can download it and install and get fix. And that's basically it. This is actually the best features of these earbuds. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.